Welcome to the Edupedia world, virtual world, free education. My name is Suraya Sayed, Microsoft Certified Trainer. All cell content uses the same formatting by default, which can make it difficult to read a workbook with a lot of information. You can modify the look of your workbook, allowing you to draw attention to specific sections and making your content easier to view and understand. Excel has two types of formatting applied to cell content. Text formatting, such as to change the font type and size, changing font color and style, cell borders and fill colors, text alignment and direction, indentation, orientation, text wrap and merge cells. And you can also apply number formatting to tell Excel exactly what type of data you are using, such as percentage, currencies, and so on. And they are divided into groups on the ribbon: the font group, alignment group, and the number groups. To change the font, by default, the font of each new workbook is set to Calibri. However, Excel provides a variety of other fonts you can use to customize your cell text. In this example, we will format our title cell to help distinguish it from the rest of the worksheet. Select the cell or cells you wish to modify. Click the drop-down arrow next to the font command on the Home tab. The font drop-down menu will appear. Select the desired font. A live preview of the new font will appear as you hover the mouse over different options. In this example, we will choose Georgia. The text will change to the selected font. And to change the font size, select the cell or cells you wish to modify and click the drop-down arrow next to the font size on the Home tab. The font size drop-down menu will appear. A live preview of the new font size will appear as you hover the mouse over different options for size. Select the desired font size. In this example, we will choose 16 to make the text larger. The text will change to the selected font size. You can also use the increase font size and decrease font size commands, or enter a custom font size using your keyboard. Type any specific custom size that is not shown for size options, like 14.5. To change the font color, click the drop-down arrow next to the font color command on the Home tab. The color menu will appear. A live preview of the new font color will appear as you hover the mouse over different options for colors. In our example, we will choose blue. The text will change to the desired font color. Select more colors at the bottom of the menu to access additional color options. In the color dialog box, you can accurately adjust the color by adjusting its channels, or to pick directly from the color wheel. To use the bold, italic, and underline command, select the cell or cells you wish to modify. Click the bold B, italic I, or underline U command on the Home tab. In our example, we will make the selected cells bold. And also click the italic and underline button. The selected style will be applied to the text. You can also press Ctrl plus B for book on your keyboard to make selected text bold. And you can press Ctrl plus I to apply italics and Ctrl plus U to apply an underline. And if you want to remove any of these three styles from any cell content, select the cell and click again on the button. It will remove the style because these styles buttons are known as on-off buttons. That means one click will apply the style and another click on the same button will remove that previously applied style. Cell borders and fill colors allows you to create clear and defined boundaries for different sections of your worksheet. In our example, we will add cell borders and fill color to our header cells to help differentiate them from the rest of the data. To add the border, select the cell or cells you wish to modify. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders command. On the Home tab, the Borders drop-down menu will appear. Select the border style you want to use. In this example, we will choose to display all borders. The selected border style will appear. You can draw borders and change the line style and the color of borders with the Draw Borders tool at the bottom of the Borders drop-down menu. The Format Cells dialog box opened. On the Border tab, select the line style, and in the Preview section, you should click on each line to which you want to apply the style, or click the line you wish to remove. Here I removed the inner line between cells and apply semi-dashed style to outer cell border. And to add a fill color, select the cell or cells you wish to modify. Click the drop-down arrow next to the fill color command on the Home tab. The fill color menu will appear. Select the fill color you want to use. A live preview of the new fill color will appear as you hover the mouse over different options. In our example, we will use light green. The selected fill color will appear in the selected cells. Now we have finished our commands that appears in the font group, but we can launch to the dialog box of format cells that enable us to do more formatting for the cell that we can't make from the ribbon. Click the dialog box launcher for the font group. The dialog box of format cells is opened. On the font tab, we find options that we have from the ribbon. In addition to this, we can find more options not found on the ribbon, like to make the underline style one of 4 choices: single, double, single accounting, or double accounting. And also you can't make a strike through or superscript and subscript effects from the ribbon. You must log into this dialog box of format cells to enable you to do these effects. Here I am going to apply a strike through effect on the selected cell. And to apply a subscript, select the text to which you want to apply, like number 2 in the chemical equation of H2O. Then click the dialog box launcher of the font group and check Subscript. Let's zoom in to see, and to make the ND for the second text up, select the ND and from the dialog box check Subscript. The result is the second text ND is moved up on the top of the text. Finally, to quickly format text, select cell content. Mini toolbar is shown on the selection. In this toolbar, you can change the font type, size, and the style quickly without the need to the ribbon or to launch the dialog box for formatting cells. Thank you for watching Edupedia World Videos. See you at the next video.